Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today we're making Vietnamese summer rolls or Gỏi Cuốn. Fresh, crunchy, easy to make, and so delicious. Great appetizer to share with friends. Please see the full list of ingredients in the video description. We'll need 600 grams of pork loin or pork belly. Wash it and cut into smaller portions so it's easier to cook. Fill half a pot of water, about 2 liters, or enough to cover the meat. Add 1 small shallot, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon of chicken powder. Bring the water to a boil and reduce the heat to medium. Boil the pork for about 30 minutes or until the internal temperature exceeds 145 F or 63 C. Did you know pork is one of the most widely consumed meats in the world? In Vietnam, boiled pork is often used in everyday meals, not just festive dishes. Let's prepare the shrimps. Fresh or previously frozen. You need 1 pound. Wash them with cold water and devein if needed. In another pot, fill it halfway with water and add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine if you have it. This helps remove the shrimp smells. Bring the water to a boil and cook the shrimps for 3 to 5 minutes or until they turn pink and curl up. The color in shrimps comes from a pigment called astaxanthin, which is released when heat breaks down the grayish proteins. That is your natural doneness indicator. Remove the shrimps and drain the excess water. Now let's cook our vermicelli or rice noodles. Bring half a pot of water to a boil. Turn off the heat and add about 100 grams of dry noodles. Soak for 5 to 6 minutes or longer depending on the thickness. If you can easily squish it between your fingers, it's ready. After about 30 minutes, check if the pork is done using a thermometer or cut into it. If it's still pink inside, continue to boil for 5 to 10 more minutes. Once ready, remove and soak the pork in cold water. This keeps the meat from turning dark. Now the noodles should be ready. Drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. Let's prepare the pickled carrots and daikon. Another name they call lo bok. Peel and shred 2 carrots and 1 daikon, about 250 grams, into thin strands. Rinse with fresh water 2 to 3 times, then gently squish them to remove excess water. This helps the vegetables absorb the vinegar faster. Now for the vinegar mixture. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, quarter cup of white vinegar, quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then add the carrots and daikon. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. Quick pickles like this are called đồ chua in Vietnamese. They add brightness and crunch to dishes and are super popular in bánh mì sandwiches too. Back to the shrimp. Remove the shells and split each one in half lengthwise. This makes rolling easier. Let's make the peanut dipping sauce. In a pot over medium heat, combine 1 cup of water, quarter cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, about 1/4 cup. Stir well until the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Peanut dipping sauce is a modern Vietnamese American twist. In Vietnam, summer rolls are often dipped in nước chấm, a fish sauce-based dipping sauce. Time for veggies. Pick your favorites. Here are my go-tos. Lettuce, fresh bean sprouts, garlic chives, cucumber, and basil herb. You can also try mint, perilla leaves, or even shredded mango for a fun twist. Finally, it's time to assemble the rolls. Soak the rice paper in warm water for a few seconds. Lay it flat and fill it with your noodles, vegetables, pork, and shrimp. Fold the bottom over the filling, tuck in the sides, and roll it up. In Vietnam, these are called Gỏi Cuốn, which translates to salad rolls. They're usually served cold, perfect for hot days or picnics. Get your kids involved. It's a fun hands-on activity for the whole family. And there you have it. Tasty summer rolls, a popular appetizer bursting with flavor that will make everyone happy on a beautiful summer day. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Until next time, keep that good appetite and you won't be disappointed. Bye for now.